Welcome back to another glorious episode of Mediocre Cooking. Today we're gonna make one of my all-time favorite recipes. That's gonna be some Pop-Tart. So let's get popping. Step number 1 is to gather the ingredients. We're gonna need some Pop-Tart. Step number 2 is to pop open this shiny goodness. Set your toaster to the toasting function and then turn your toaster on to maximum toastness and then pop these suckers right in on there and wait for the pop. Well, that wasn't much of a pop, was it? Let's try it again. You. It's a 6 out of 10.
Oh, it's a 6 out of 10. Oh, yes, we fucked up again. Oh, it's a 6 out of 10.